Hi guys, thank you for clicking on this video. If this is your first time coming on this page, please subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, please list them below. Please follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Information is on the screen. Let's get to today's video.
So today we're going to be making some Kenkey. I have my fermented corn dough in this pot, and I'm going to make my flatter. And unfortunately I don't have corn husk, so I'm going to use foil and cling film as my wrapping. So in this pot I'm going to be making my flatter. I have my flatter, I have 1/3, and here is my round corn dough, and that's 2/3. So after I make that flatter, I put it in the raw corn dough and then mix it. All right, so we'll come back to it. Making a flatter now, and I'm gonna make it nice and soft, and then add it to my raw corn dough.
Okay.
Okay, so my flatter has been mixed with the raw corn dough. It's been resting for a little bit. It's now cool, so I can wrap them. I got my foil and then my cling film. Okay, so I'll show you how I do it without a corn husk. I get a piece of cling film. Then I get my dough. Oh, too big. I'll make it slightly smaller. Should I put some water on my hands? All right. And then I roll it. Sorry. Then I roll it, and pack it nicely. Then I get my foil. Then I roll it again, and then I pack it. So that's my ball of Kenkey. All right, I got 10 more to go, 15 more to go. All right, thank you. It's all ready now to go on the stove. So it's all wrapped up and ready to go.
3 hours later.
All right, so now we're going to unwrap our Kenkey. And for those of you who think that the foil is bad for you, it's actually not. So that's my ball of Kenkey right there. It's got a foam on it. So the moment of truth, I have my seafood here, some shrimp, some fish. And here is the moment of truth. Wow, look at the Kenkey. Nice and not fluff. Look at that. All right, let's eat.